In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Cloud Storage for free in a clear and updated guide for 2025. So if you're ready to take advantage of what Google Cloud has to offer without spending a cent, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the Google Cloud free trial, which is the perfect entry point for new users. Google generously offers $300 in free credits, which are valid for use over a span of 90 days. This initial period gives you a substantial cushion to explore and utilize the various services that Google Cloud provides. You can begin by creating storage buckets and uploading your data, all without any charges until those credits expire. It's a fantastic opportunity to get familiar with the platform and see how it can meet your needs. During this trial, it's important to note that Google also provides an additional free tier, which includes 5 GB of cloud storage per month at no additional cost. This is a separate offering from the $300 credits, meaning even as you tap into those credits, you still have a 5 GB allowance each month. Now, looking beyond the trial period, there's the always free tier. This ongoing free usage option allows you to continue using Google Cloud Storage without charge, even after your initial credits have run out. With this, you can maintain up to 5 GB of storage every month forever. However, this is contingent on staying within the specified limits and using eligible Google Cloud Platform accounts. It's a brilliant way to ensure ongoing access to cloud storage at no cost. Of course, to keep your usage free, you need to be mindful of potential charges that could arise accidentally. There are a few essential strategies to avoid incurring costs. First, make sure to use a single region bucket in eligible regions like US Central 1, US West 1, or US East 1. Using buckets in these specific regions helps you avoid unexpected charges. It's crucial to steer clear of multi-region buckets, as they are designed to replicate your data across multiple locations and could incur networking charges, even if you are within your free storage limits. This replication is beneficial for data redundancy and durability, but not necessary when your goal is to use the service without cost. Additionally, to stay on top of your usage, regularly track it through the Google Cloud Billing dashboard. This will give you a clear picture of how much of your free tier you're consuming and alert you to any charges that might be creeping up. Setting up alerts can be particularly helpful to notify you if you're nearing any limits. By diligently monitoring this dashboard, you can ensure that you stay comfortably within your free tier boundaries. And that's it. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of Google Cloud Storage without spending a dime. Remember to keep an eye on your usage, stay within the specified parameters, and enjoy the freedom of cloud storage. Thanks for watching, and happy storing.